If you're an Aorus fan like this guy, chances are that you also have an Aorus motherboard, an Aorus graphics card, Aorus memory, Aorus SSD, and even an Aorus monitor. But what about peripherals? Introducing the GGEZ, which is the term I coined for Gigabyte Gaming Experience Zone. Allow me to introduce to you their products, starting off with the Aorus M5 with a 16,000 dpi PixArt 3389 sensor. It has adjustable weight and balance and has Omron switch. With a good mouse, you need a good mousepad. Check out the Aorus P7, which is a hard-type mousepad with micro-textured surface for fast mouse movement. Accompanying your mouse will be the Aorus K9 optical full-size keyboard with FlareTech optical switch. It is splash-proof and it has swappable keys. Lastly, with all the action, you'll need the Aorus H5 headphone with 50mm beryllium metal drivers. It has detachable and bendable microphone and inline sound controls. Needless to say, all of them come with RGB LED for your customization needs. That's all for the GGEZ. Subscribe to Goldfries and check out my upcoming videos as I will be reviewing all these products. See you in the next one.